Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow cheesy puffs. So let's go ahead and create the project. Okay, now we're going to X out the cat and pick a different sprite. I will pick the cheesy puffs. Now let's pick a backdrop. So how about some patterns? That would be good. Ooh, stripes, that sounds good. Okay, now let's put one green flag clicked. Now we're going to put a go-to block and change the X to -4 and change the Y to just 4. Now we're going to change the direction to 45, just like how we do in the Pong game. So there we go. Now we're going to put a forever loop, and then we're going to go to motion again, and then drag out and move 10 steps and put that as 19. Now we're going to scroll down and put the if on edge bounce block and save your project. So when you reload it, like when it asks you to reload the project in, you can just reload it. So it's just like, oh, dun, 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 dun. How about we make it more colorful? Like we can change the colors. So now we're going to be creating clones in this. So yeah, I think I made a video of how to create clones in Scratch and stuff. So yeah, this is what exactly we're going to be doing, like not creating clones, like changing the color and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to actually create the clone, but not actually show it. Actually, we're going to show it. Like it's going to be like doing that oh yeah thing, like that thing, and then it's going to be changing colors, and whenever it moves it's going to make clones and it's going to hide them after that. So let's go into the control category and drag out a create clone myself block and put it there under the if on edge balance block. And as you can see, it's just creating clones and just going, ooh, it kind of like made a heart. Oh my god, that looks like an X thing. What? Now we need to delete these clones. Okay, so now we're gonna do this. When I start as a clone, I'm gonna change the color. So drag out that repeat 10 block loop, and then go to the looks category and drag out a change color rect by 25. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the control category and scroll down and drag out this delete this clone block, and then there it is. It's just bang, 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 bang. So it's like dancing. That's exactly what's happening in this thing. I'm going to show you another project that I actually made. So like this one's like it's just going and going and going. Music. Okay, so you see this thing, it's going up and down like that. It's kind of like changing the color. It's exactly the same code as this one. So comparison. So yeah, that they're both like same thing. I think this one is the only orange one, which is the regular one. So let me stop for a second. So this is the one. If you see this like going with this, then that means it's the original one. Like, do you see that thing? And did those other ones coming in the back? Those are the clones. So yeah, that's the one. So yeah, we can also add some music, like the one that I put here, like in the beginning, like this one. So we're gonna actually put some music. Oh my god, it turned. Okay, let's just go to the backdrops and go into the sounds category and just go to the backpack and find sound. Like what sound should we get? This one I already used. This one. This is a cool music. Like I put that in the wrecking ball thing. That project. If you don't know that, you can check it out on my channel. Yeah, that is a good one. That is a good one. Okay, let's just put one green flag clicked. I'm gonna drag out a forever loop and go to sound and drag out a play sound. Ost acknowledgement, something like that. I like that. I just found it somewhere. It's good. So you can, that's the whole project. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. So bye guys. Keep watching the screen and you'll see the Cheezy Puffs project that we made. Hooray! Happy fall!